Customer purchased this one online. Everything seems to be plug and play, working okay, except when you go to the heater control, it only gives him high temperature. And he's been messaging back and forth with the seller in China. They are saying all kinds of different code, none work. So we kind of figured it out. This is how you're gonna do it. Go to the settings, and you go to install set. The code is actually, they tried to tell me it was 8861, it was the wrong one. That's the password error. So that wasn't it. And we found 1111, that wasn't working. 8888, that wasn't working. And we Googled it, we tried a million different code, we finally came up with the right code, which is 666888. And okay, voila, it goes in. Now, from here, you have to select the vehicle. So these are all the manufacturer's firmware. This one is an Android radio, and everything seems to be working except the heater control. It's not working properly. See, if I go down, it won't go down on the temperature. It stays at 81, so it keeps blowing hot air. It won't let me go down below 81. So these manufacturers said, go into settings, and go into system info, and you go upgrade. They told me to hit the simple upgrade. It doesn't do anything. That's the airplane. That's the airplane. It doesn't do anything. So let's see. Maybe we have to restart. Customer purchased this one online. Everything seems to be plug and play, working okay, except when you go to the heater control, it only gives him high temperature. And he's been messaging back and forth with the seller in China. They are saying all kinds of different code, none work. So we kind of figured it out. This is how you're gonna do it. Go to the settings, and you go to install set. The code is actually, they tried to tell me it was 8861, it was the wrong one. That's the password error. So that wasn't it. And we found 1111, that wasn't working. 8888, that wasn't working. And we Googled it, we tried a million different code, we finally came up with the right code, which is 666888. And okay, voila, it goes in. Now, from here, you have to select the vehicle. So these are all the manufacturer's firmware. You have to choose the right vehicle. Before, it was not this one, it was on other ones. And also, this is the actual CAN bus module. So look at the name of the CAN bus module. Make sure you are selecting that CAN bus so you can get into the car settings. Okay, so once you have name of the CAN bus module, it's written on the back of the box, the black box that you attach. I'll show you in the back. It has a name on it, so make sure you select the right name, which is ours, this one, Sing Cheng, whatever it is. Then you look at the factory monitor, which is, this is a factory monitor, that's a 4-inch. So as you can see, this is incorrect. This one says 18.4, which we have 4 inches. So you gotta select the 4 inches. Silverado 4 inches automatic AC, which is this one. Then once you have that done, hit OK here. You gotta go back, and you have to save. If you don't save, it will go back to previous settings. So make sure all the car information is correct, and it will restart. Takes about a minute or so. I'm gonna pause. Okay, so it came back on. I'm gonna pause again. All right, it came back on. So on the bottom side, when you touch anything, this pops up again. Before, we weren't able to increase or decrease the temperature. See, now it does go up and down as you hit plus and minus. Before, it was stuck on 82 or 81 degrees, and this wouldn't do anything. We were able to change the fan speed, but not the temperature. So once you have the right firmware set up for the vehicle, now you can change the temperature up and down, position of the air coming out. If you have a heated seat, that should all work. But this does not have a heated seat. So as you can see, all functions do work, and the temperature is going up and down as well. Guys, I'm going to show you the back of the radio. We don't have a screw here. Now, these are all plug and play. When you take the radio out, it comes with a key harness. So these are key harness, as you can see. You unplug the factory plug, which is the gray one right here. Install the key harness. Factory plug plugs in here, back into the factory tuner pack in the back, and that goes back into the radio. So make sure you have all these are connected. If you don't have any of these not plugged in, it's not going to function right. We originally had this one not plugged in and radio didn't come on. That comes from the main harness right here, and be sure to connect this black plug. So everything else is key harness. So this is the module that I told you about, and the name of that module was that. It's not written on this one, but we know that is XSeng, whatever it is. And be sure to select the right CAN bus module. If you don't know what it is, you can try one by one. It's going to take time for you to figure it out, but you can try one by one what CAN bus module you have, then try different firmware to see if it works. And once you have that, and this, of course, you have to transfer the air vent out of this old one. You take these out, it snaps right in. No special tools required. Just need a panel popper to pop that out. Then make sure the antenna is plugged in. That's for Wi-Fi, I believe. And this just snaps in. Go ahead. Snaps in. Then we got to put two 7mm screws on the top, and this thing, it just covers up the screw hole. So we're going to put these 7mm and complete the job. Move this up. Beautiful radio. I wish they had manual, comes with how to, but now we know how to get into it. Okay, so let's reverse. Reverse works too. So everything seems to be working fine. It shows that the car's doors open. So we have all the indications working fine. Is there control on the wheel? No, it doesn't have control.
This is one.